viewers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Distributor iTech. I'm Jest, your host, and today we've got some groundbreaking news for you. The National Service Scheme, NSS, has just made a major announcement that's sure to impact the education sector in Ghana. So, grab your snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into it. Excitedly, breaking news, folks. The NSS has officially deployed a whopping 13,516 trained teachers for the 2024 national service. Yes, you heard it right. These passionate educators are all set to embark on their one-year mandatory national service, contributing their expertise to basic and second cycle schools across our great nation. This move is a significant step towards strengthening the education system in Ghana, and it's fantastic to see the NSS playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of our students. But wait, there's more. For those of you eager to know where these teachers will be stationed, worry not. Management has made it convenient for everyone. If you're one of the 13,516 trained teachers eagerly waiting to start your service, head over to the NSS website at www.nss.gov.gh to check your placements. It's that simple. Once you've discovered your placement, the next step is to make your way to the various NSS regional secretariats to complete the registration process. So, mark those dates on your calendar and get ready to take the next big step in your teaching journey. Now, let's talk about the registration details. The 2024 NSS registration kicks off on Friday, March 8, 2024, at all centers. It's essential for all the deployed trained teachers to act promptly. The management is urging you to embrace your placements and report accordingly. This is your chance to make a real impact, and we're cheering you on every step of the way. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder: if you haven't subscribed to Distributor iTech yet, now's the perfect time. Join our community for more updates, tech insights, and exciting news like this one. That's a wrap for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in to Distributor iTech. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and make a positive impact wherever you go. This is Jest, signing off. Catch you in the next one.